Hi, I think most of you know by now that the GS911 came out with some programming upgrades late November, allow you to do a much larger variety of things besides just diagnostic and service work, including programming different things for the front indicators, heated grip settings, and a myriad of other things that we'll get into in future videos. Right now, today, I just want to do an unboxing video, show you what's in the box. I am Paul Larson, and you are watching Moto219 on YouTube. Thank you for that. You'll notice the one on the left is a 10-pin connector. Okay, that is going to be, should be pre-2017. Post-2017, you'll have the standard OBD2 connector on the right. If you have either version, there are cables to make them compatible backwards or forwards with newer or older bikes. So don't sweat yourself on that. You will notice both of these units are Wi-Fi. That is my preference. And let's move forward and take a look now what's in this box. We'll do the OBD2. Okay. So it actually has a pretty nice case for storage. Okay. Unzips, reminds me a lot of a Garmin GPS case. Okay. You have your device with the OBD2 connector. You have the cable to connect it to your computer through USB. A couple of stickers. A quick start guide. You will find this helpful in doing the registration and the setup. Okay. Not sure how much of this you can see, but again, it's a quick start guide. You're going to have an accessories guide for the easy can in there, the hex can. And you'll have the different versions of the 911 along with what licenses are available. It's important to note, if you'll see this on both the 10-pin Wi-Fi and on the OBD Wi-Fi, that if you ever wanted to upgrade to professional license, that's available. If you buy the non-Wi-Fi version, you'll never be able to upgrade it beyond just the enthusiast license, if that matters to you. You'll see here at the bottom the different adapters to go backwards or forwards on the bikes. And that's pretty much it that's in this box. Thank you for taking a look at that. We'll do a video here shortly of hooking it up to the bike, and we appreciate you watching. Thank you.